Hello everybody. Welcome to my studio today. I have a 16 by 20 black gesso canvas that I'm going to try some abstract swipe with some Aussie Floetrol. So I have this mix here of lamp black with Australian Floetrol, and it tends to give really good cells. So I'm going to give a black base, and then I'm going to try some of these really chameleon colors is what they're called, from Arteza. So I've got fairy tale blue. I don't know if you can tell, but it changes colors there. The same with the shock lime. And I've got electric plum, which goes kind of a bluish purple. Playful pink, which is a white that goes kind of pinkish. And this royal purple. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that. I'm gonna swipe with my lamp black, and then I'm gonna tilt it and see what I get. It should be pretty interesting. So bear with me, and let's have some fun. Oh my God, I love it. That is so cool looking. It almost looks like a river. This looks really, and when it dries, each of these colors will shift a little bit as the painting moves. So let's torch it a little bit, get rid of some of those bubbles. I love this piece right in here. I'll show it to you close up in just a minute. All right, let me show that piece to you. I'm just going to pick it up here because it's easier than taking the camera off. Isn't that wild? And then you can see the rest of it. All right, and I think I'm going to leave that there too. I love it. I love, love, love it. All righty. I can't wait to see how it's going to look when it's all dry. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for more experiments.